Агра деген неге келдік. Мына жерде бізде станция. Мына жерде көп таксистер болуы мүмкін, бірақ сіздер мына осы free-paid такси дегенге не аласыздар. Free-paid таксиде, яғни сіз алдын ала мемлекетке ақша төлеп қоясыздар. Мына официальный ақшалары. Таж-Махал мысалы 200 рупий дейді, кондиционермен 250 рупий. Фордқа тоже 200 рупий, анаған 250 рупий. Мана, hello. Достар. My taxi driver lucky man. So we are lucky. Okay, so we are lucky. Бүгін бізді Құдай қаласа Аграға барамыз. Ертең күні бойы.
Name Khan, but people call me lucky because I born 1st of January. I bring happiness.
Ана. Мен бақыт әкелемін дейді. Мен атым бақыт. Біздегі Бақытжан ғой есімі. Ана. Все, кеттік біз Агра. Ал біз кеттік, міне біздің туптарымыз. The belt is
It's important.
important.
Yeah, please. Otherwise,
Will be paid.
1,500 rupees charge.
Okay, it's important. Sonuna gittik.
So what's your job? You are a YouTuber?
I am, how to say, I am beginner YouTube blogger. My first time visit here.
Okay.
So I will be here 2 or 3 days. Then
In Agra?
In
India.
India.
Okay.
So I want to go to the Sri Lanka.
Okay.
Then to Abu Dhabi, then Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Мәке сіз қатты кетіп барасыз, мәке, что-то остановись, baby.
So what is your job?
I am IT programmist,
Okay.
web developer.
Okay, very nice.
I know Indian IT, it's best.
Yes, number one in
Number
Bangalore,
one,
south
yeah,
of India.
yeah.
Bangalore.
So we are working. They advising me, supporting me.
Okay.
So we are working in such some project. So I know some colleagues from here.
Okay, very nice. So you already pay the money to the hotel?
Not book it, but not paying. Just said I will come.
Okay.
Now I call it. They said it's now available.
Available?
Available, yes.
Okay. How much?
1,000 rupee, 1,000 euro, not more.
It's about
200.
1,200.
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that. Included breakfast.
Including breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice.
So tomorrow,
Yes.
after 11, 12, maybe, yes.
Yeah, you tell me the time, what
yeah.
time I need to come. I will come to the hotel. Okay?
Okay.
Because Taj Mahal, it's open 5:30 in the morning.
So I want to go first in the morning.
Because morning time you can enjoy. Because sunrise. Because sun is calm, Taj Mahal looks very beautiful. And less people, less crowd. So you can enjoy in the morning much. And in Taj Mahal you need a guide?
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 I don't think
No,
so.
because everybody taking guide in Taj Mahal.
With Russian speaking? Or?
Yeah, Russian speaking. If you want Russian speaking, Russian guide also possible. If you want English guide, English guide also possible.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
Because
How much will be this?
Actually, The English guide will cost you 1,500 rupee.
Once,
Yeah,
It's
because
for 3 hours or
three
only?
hour, 3 hour. And Russian guide will cost you 2,500 rupees. Yeah, speaking Russian.
They will come in the morning.
Yeah, in the morning they will come to the hotel and then help you to buy the ticket and then show you around 3 hours.
It's nice. Maybe I will take your mobile number and
No. If you want, you tell me. Because here I have to tell him, I have to call him, so he come to your hotel. You know.
But now I don't know price. I don't know compare.
I show you the price.
Yeah.
You can see government price I have. You know?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Taj Mahal. English guide 1,800 rupees. This is the government price.
Government price.
1,800.
You can give pay. Check. Bill.
Yeah. Of course.
No problem.
Yeah. So tell me, Russian guide or English guide you need, and he will take the picture also inside the Taj Mahal. Your picture, your photo, with your camera, with your mobile phone.
Okay. I think better for me English.
English is okay.
I want to improve my English.
Okay, no problem.
Then I noticed here no traffic light.
No, there is a traffic
Where is
light.
traffic?
There is a traffic light. You see?
It's only one.
No, there is a back because
Yeah.
all green. So I'm just running, you know. And over there is a red. So I have to stop there, you know. But if you like, near Taj Mahal there is a one best hotel, you know, near Taj Mahal, because there is a many tourists staying and they have a beautiful restaurant, you know. So the price is the same.
Okay. Show me on the. Let's go to yours best.
Yeah, because I know Agra. I know Agra.
Okay.
That's why, because you are Muslim, I am Muslim.
Okay,
so I
let's
want
go.
to help you, you know.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
I need with how to say halal.
Of course.
Halal
I'm
food?
Halal.
Halal food.
Halal food.
Okay.
I don't want to take you haram, you know.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
taking you the halal food.
I mean, it's good hotels, yes? A good
Good hotel.
restaurant.
Yeah, a good hotel, and you can look from your eyes. Check the room, toilet, restaurant. Then you decide. Naeem, Lucky, this is good. I like it.
Okay.
Because I know.
I believe you, brother.
Thank you. Don't worry.
Because you go to Umrah.
Yeah, I have been. No, I have been.
You have been, yeah.
Already, I'm Haji.
Yeah,
So
you're
please
Haji.
believe each word.
Yeah.
You're married?
No, I am single.
You are single.
I am searching my love.
Of course.
Where I can find, bro?
I will help you.
You will help me.
Yeah, I will help you. If you need my help, I will give you the good advice. In a years, you find a beautiful girl. Maybe in India or maybe in Kazakhstan.
You will give me dua?
Yeah, of course. I will pray for you.
Oh, thank you,
Yes,
thank you.
I will
It's
pray
best.
for you.
It's
Yeah,
best.
yeah. I will pray for Allah, you know.
Міне мама, менің лакки досым маған дұға жасайын дейді үйленіп кетуіме. Көрдіңіз бе? Индиядан келіп үйленіп кетуге дұға жасайын деді. Ең жақсы.
I will help him. He is my good friend, forever friend. I will take care of him. Yes.
I am saying to my mother, just you are helping to find my girl.
Yes, he's happy.
You will be happy to.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Khan, but people call me Lucky. Inshallah, your son will get a beautiful wife in Kazakhstan or maybe in India. Allah knows where his love, but I will help him. I will pray for him to Allah. Don't worry.
Уайымдамаңыз.
Yeah.
Асы жүректе табылады. Ал достар, қазір осыны көреміз. Bizde spice жоқ деп ойлаймын. Сухой spice. Көптің spice. Ал biryani деген көреміз қазір. Spice қоспа десем де кішкентай spice қоспам, но болады жерде. Яғни тауықты қуырған еді, сүйексіз тауық жеуге болады.
Okay?
Окей. Спайс? No?
No spice?
Huh?
No spice?
No spicy. No spicy.
Okay? Nabab.
Mana Karim Yevap осы жерде біз тамақтанды, өте жақсы жер. What's that? Oh, sorry. Thank you. Mana біздің ақшамызды қайтарып берді бес. Mana сдачамды ұмытып кеткем. Менің ақшамды қайтарып берді бес. Бес. Сен аңғалды екен, қанша ақшам ұмытып кеткем. Мама көрмесін аны. Ал кеттік, құдай қаласа. Центр.